one of the tools that I've been using and that I would love to share with you now is the breath of release. Learning how to release tension and stress from your body through the breath. So we're going to take a power pause. I'm going to teach you how to do this now. And I would love for you to place your hands, one on your belly, one on your heart. So this is the physiological sigh. And you may be in these moments here when you've been experiencing grief and sadness and heaviness, you might have heard yourself make this same sound, that and you kind of, that sort of shuddery breath that happens after we cry. It's actually a reset for the nervous system that you are doing instinctively. So when we use this breath of release, you're doing it actively to achieve the same calming and regulating impact on your nervous system. So it's a two-part inhale. We fill the lungs once, and then right to the top on the second inhale. And then on the exhale, we settle and sink and ground yourself. So we try it together. Ready? So two-part inhale. You can hear the two parts. Try. Now do it slower. Longer on the exhale. With sound. Keep going. Keep going. Feel the shift happening. One more time. Breathe normally. So what we're doing in that breath, the breath of release, this beautiful power pause, is giving yourself the opportunity to quiet and regulate your nervous system. By intentionally slowing down the breath, we activate the vagus nerve, we turn on the parasympathetic nervous system, we shift you into a place of rest and digest. We're slowing everything down. We are increasing the oxygenation of your body as well as releasing more carbon dioxide. So we're stimulating a balance in the breath that way, in the nervous system as well. And what it does is it mimics that natural reset that comes after we that sigh that happens. And so it's such a powerful way. And we're also expanding the lung capacity, which is so important. We're expanding your capacity to hold space for this in your body, right? But also in your nervous system, to hold space in this way of this challenging emotional state that is a natural part of our human experience. So this is the impact of a power pause. And so right now, what we did just here is, if you're watching this on its own as a video on YouTube, is part of this full experience inside this episode of the Movement, Mind, and Meaning podcast on taking a grief leave. And if you want to watch the video and see what I did, you can go over and watch it on YouTube. So I would love to share this tool with you because it's been so impactful for me. And power pauses are really an incredible way to tend to your body, to shift your inner state. So there is a free resource in the description below on the Power Pause Pocket Guide that you can grab. So